Hi everyone, welcome to Hacking Life with Jessie. Today we are going to fix my washing machine. We came home from camping last night and I did a load of laundry for work, and I went to check on my laundry and it never spun out. So the water was still inside and the drum wouldn't spin in order to let the water come out of the washing machine. So here I am after work on a Monday night, and we need to figure out what's going wrong with the washing machine and what part we need to replace it. So here is my washing machine. So it looks like this little cog right here, or dog or whatever, the belt is off of it and something is snapped, so it's not letting it turn. So we need to take it apart and figure it out. As you can see, there is a spot right there where there's a chunk worn off of the belt. It's kind of hard to see with the flashlight. And then when you turn it, you can see that it was rubbing and that this piece is loose on here. So we need to get ourselves a new one of these because I need a washing machine. So first step is we need to get the correct tools, and okay, so we are going to pop off this first. There is, just using a screwdriver, there's one on each side. Can't see it very good, but it should be over here somewhere. And I got it off. You can see it, it's right here. So those two come off first. Okay, so this white piece pulls off and down. And pull it straight out and down away from that. So now we take a 1/4 inch socket and unscrew this screw right here. Should be able to get it out by hand now. Okay, and don't lose your screws. Put your screws on. So this comes unscrewed. And then pop off of there. And then you can, there's like a triangular area right there. You can turn this and pull it out if you need to. No, I think I have to. There is also one of these screws on the other side, which I can't see very good. But it should be. So we unscrew this screw here, put it up on top, and then we are going to use the screwdriver. I guess we don't have to use a screwdriver, just fell right off. Okay, so all of the black clips are off. The pump is separated from the motor, and now you can pull the motor apart and you can away from this, and you can see that the cog is just trying to fall apart. The motor is heavy. your motor is separated, and you can pull this cog right off of here because it's broken. Oop, one piece and the second piece. So there it is. Now I just need to go on Amazon and order the part that I need for probably about $3, and we will be back in business. Welcome back to Hacking Life with Jessie. We ordered the part on Amazon and we have the part that we need. The item number is 285753A, and I think it was $5.79 on Amazon. So we are going to open it up and put it in so that I can wash clothes. I decided to flip the washer over onto the other side because when I set this down on there, it wasn't seating well. So I just wiped it off with a cleaning wipe on the edges so you can see the shaft there. And then we can fit these pieces on there. Actually, I'll put this one on this side. Gotta find the right spot for it there. Okay, so it's on there, but it's not seating well, so I'm gonna try to tap it in a little bit. My mallet is just a little bit too big. I'm gonna just tap it down a little bit. I'm supposed to use a rubber mallet, but mine was just a little bit too big. So I'm gonna tap it down that way, and you can see there's not much more room there. There shouldn't really be any room left underneath there for it to seat down. Now it's pretty much flush. So I'm gonna put this side on, put this one on this side. I'm gonna do this one the right way. Just gently tap it down. Doesn't really want to go. You can see. It does not want to go in there. These parts should really be universal. So this one I have down in there really well. And this one just does not want to fit. So did I get the wrong part? Looks pretty flush. There's not much room underneath. See, this is all flush now. So now when I put it back together, it should be, this side's flush too. It should fit good. Okay, so now we're going to move this aside. Move this aside. We're going to straighten up the clips so I can set it in there good. Maybe I'll just prop this up a little bit so it doesn't tip down. So we will line up the holes. So this is straight up and down so that it'll fit inside of this one. That's straight up and down. The motor is heavy. Don't let them pull you. Glad I had it lined up. Let's try this again. Let's put the black one in first. Now it is seated in properly. Now we will take this clip, clip that one back on, and there's the clip in the back that I hope is still in this hole because it's going to be pretty hard to see it, but it's not. So I have to put it inside of the triangular hole and then turn it. Straighten it out. Pretty much have to do this by feeling around. Part is hard because I can't see what you're doing. Thought I had it in there. Wiggle it back and forth, and then you can clip it right onto the back. Okay, I got those two clips, this clip on this side and this clip on the other side are already clipped in. Now we have to tighten the screws back up that pull on in there. And where's my other clip? There's the other clip. Wipe it off a little bit. Underneath your washing machine gets a little gross sometimes. Kind of dusty and yucky. Okay. So with these clips again, there's a T on the bottom, you push them in and you turn them, and then they clip on top of the pump like that. So when everything's done, this is what it's gonna look like. Your pump, your engine, and your transmission. And in between here is the part that we replaced right here. Now we need to flip the washing machine back up and hook it back up to see if it works. Put the cord inside. Now we have to hook up the water and the cord. I'm going to do the water first. Okay, so you have the cold water and the hot water. On the back of the washing machine there is two hookups. One has a red sticker, one has a blue sticker. So that obviously means hot and cold. So I'm going to put these, twist them on by hand, and then I'll tighten them up a little bit because I don't want to get sprayed with water. Okay, I'll tighten them up a little bit. They don't have to be super tight because those are just plastic connectors. You do not want to strip them out. Just tight enough so they're not going to leak. Oh, and we also have to put on the return water hose, which is down here. So this is just like your vacuum cleaner, except for it takes all the water out of your washing machine and puts it into the drain. So you slide it on here, and there is supposed to be a metal clip. What happened to the metal clip? Uh-oh, I think I lost it when I flipped it over. Here it is. So here's the metal clip. You take this with the pliers and you squeeze it together. When you squeeze this together, it goes bigger, and it allows you to put the hose through here and then slide it up over the top of the hose to hold it in place. So you make sure that you wiggle the hose on there all the way, and then slide the silver piece up over the top. You let go, and it's held into place. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, last thing that we need to do is obviously plug in the cord. And we now cross our fingers. Anybody can do this kind of stuff, guys. You have to learn as you go. Watch some YouTube videos, fix your own stuff for $5 instead of paying people to fix it for you. Okay, here we go. Everything's hooked up, and let's turn the washing machine to the spin cycle and see what happens. And it feels like it's moving. That means that my washing machine is spinning, and that was not happening before. So make sure that you turn the water back on, the hot and the cold, so that when you're ready, whoop, not that one, I got wet feet. When you're ready to wash clothes, you need to have water in order to do that. So there we go. Water is back on, and the washing machine is ready to rock and roll. Guess what? Now we get to wash clothes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.